Dave Winsands, man. What's going on? Yeah, I am just switching out of my C game engine and moving into Unity. I'm waiting for the project to load, as one does when working in Unity. And there it is. Okay. I'm going to attempt to write a cool shader of some kind. Have an idea of what I want it to look like. Let's see if we can make it work. And of course, after this, yeah, I'm going to take a break and then come back and we'll be playing a video game again. Okay. Let's go because my sprite shader is already custom anyway. Have to deal with that later. The people, I talk to them. The people? That should be like under materials or something. Shaders, Sprite custom. Okay, so will this open up Visual Studio? Nice. Oh man. You gotta bring him in, man. You gotta bring him in the club. You just ask him very politely, would you like to join the super network? And then you hand them a card with the Discord link. Play button? Dude, why? Just to hear the music? Oh wait, is the music even coming through, by the way? Let me check OBS if Unity audio is set to, it's not. Now Unity audio is set to play. Okay, looking at the shader, I want it to be able to cast a particular size color, like a beam of color across the screen, but it only hits the sprites, right? So you'll see like a line swoop over the sprite. Trying to think how to handle that. It'll probably have to be in another shader. So let's just copy all this. Oh, man, Control A, right? There we go. Or I just duplicate it or something, right? Control D. You never know if Control D is duplicate or delete. These very different functions. Sprite custom shine with shine. Shineable. Shinnable. Shineable. Man. Yeah, fuck it. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, I guess I need some variables. I don't, I'll leave the icon. I mean, I'll leave the outline. And I'll just add shine size, shine width, shine width, this seems like also a good number. And we'll say that it's 0.1 units. Do I have to put an F here? No, this is pretty sure I don't. And then shine position X. And then shine position X. This will go from, it's not really a range. It's just a float, right? Yeah, exactly. And that'll be 0. So it's kind of like non-existent. And then I'll just update this every frame using some kind of stupid script. Custom Noobinator. Yeah, I read it first like noob in 4 tor. Stupid. So dumb. Custom Sprite shine. Hey man, it's still not JavaScript, so take that. Parsing error. Elite. How's that pronounced? Is it elite or is it 1337 or 1337? So in terms of gameplay, you don't have anything I haven't seen yet. Assuming you've seen everything that I have done since, yeah. If you saw it like, oh, that's not true. Because I did something the other day that you didn't even see. But it wasn't anything. It was just bug fixes. So like actual gameplay, no. If you saw something like a month ago, that's still the state it's in. So. Or, yeah, but I wasn't even streaming a month ago. So like 3 months ago. Sorry, man. I'm going to do new stuff soon. But it's going to be boring stuff. It's going to be like game over, you know, things like that, things that happen when you game over. Okay. Why is this like this? There we go. Okay, compiled. I'm trying to remember how to do this. So let's just do this in like level or something. Game controller. Level settings, level event tracker. So none of this stuff actually does anything. So I can add to here. I can add, I'm adding a script here. Well, let's first just test the damn thing out. Create an empty object. It's gonna have a dumb script on it. So this is gonna be like shine effect test. And shine effect. Effect. You know what? I'm not gonna make it here. It's just game create script shine effects. Can't wait to get a message from you saying, "Yo, David, check this out." You just gotta Just gotta watch the streams, man. One day. Keep you in suspense. Okay. Shine effects. Probably have to rename that at some point. Okay. Let's say that it's on. Shine on. Equals true by default. And then shine position x is 0. So what's the best way to do this? What the hell is this? I could do it to variables or whatever, or like a method, but I'm not gonna call it. I'll just do it from the beginning. So just if shine on, then if shine position x is greater than constant world size dot x, then we're gonna say that x is 0 and shine on is false. Otherwise, we're just going to be moving some amount, shine speed, times, shit. I need this to be behavior. And override, no. You fixed up the update. Oh, come on. Delta time. I need some shine speed. Shine speed. Something like 1 for now. So it takes like, I don't know, like 10 seconds to go across the screen. Or 12 seconds. And then that's good enough. And then I'll just put a sprite render here. Do I need like behavior time on this thing? Behavior time. I'll just set it on level main. Okay. Sprite render, grab some material. I need a different material. Sprite, oh, I need to make a material. Sprite custom shine. And I'll throw that on there, custom, that one. Okay, so we got shine width, shine size, shine position X. So let's give it a sprite. I need like a square, just black. Got something, right? Square block, there it is. Okay, where the hell is it? Let's move it to the front. Foreground, there it is. And we're gonna make this thing as big as the damn screen. Actually, let's go empty. Let's put the sprite in here. Just for now. And God, I gotta copy all these things again. Okay. Sprite render, sprite resolver. Sprite renderer. Is this all your own original art? Not my original art. Let me see. Maybe, actually, I think at this point it's all been replaced. I used to have a lot of my original art here, but a lot of it has been redone by one or two other people that I commissioned, or another guy that was here earlier in the stream, Toomey Totem. He's the current primary artist on this project. Again, good foreground. Black square. Airplane? You don't know? Oh, okay. Yeah, shoot 'em up. So there's a lot of like testing, debug stuff happening on screen right now. But one of the big things is like just jumping out of the thing and getting around. So I can jump on these like missiles too. And then it goes into like a little mini game. All this stuff needs like art as well. And there's some stuff happening that doesn't look like it should, the way it's meant to be happening, but that's because a lot of it is just like in test mode, and there's just so much bullshit test stuff going on screen right now. Let me see, does this work? Jesus. Things like that. Let's see. Yeah, Toomey Totem is the guy. Yeah, how do we do shout out? Toomey Totem. There we go. So this is going to have the other sprite custom shine on here. So there I have the nice. I actually need the shine color, but let's see, let's pin these guys here as well. Shine color. Shine color is pink color. That's just going to be white. And then I want to get rid of this sprite renderer. Okay. And here's the sprite. And I want this sprite to be the size of the damn screen. So I can see the effect in full. Okay. So when the shine effect starts, we should see shine position.x incrementing all the way up to 12.8 or something, and then it'll go to 0 and shine it on will be unchecked. There it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, done, and it's off. Okay. Now we need to pass that into the shader, right? So that's, I need to find like the shared material of a specific thing. So like anything that has this specific material. Can I add a material to this thing? Material? Sure. And see if I can grab the shared material off of it. And just change the property of all of them simultaneously. So let's put Sprite custom here. Okay, so then shine material dot. Okay, well, we're gonna see. I just don't know if it updates all the instances material values. So let's just see what happens. Set float. Yeah, Julio used to stream drawing the cover art. Actually, I would just like put in a little picture-in-picture of the Discord name. So the name is, I forgot if the name is supposed to be this underscore name. I think it is. So we'll do shine position X. And then the value will be shine position X, right? Yeah, he just doesn't want to do it lately. So let's see if this sprite's values change over time. They do. Nice. That's exactly what I needed. So now let's make it visually happen. So C plus equals outline. So now let's even do let's see, I need my position, right? In has position. I need world position though. This is Unity object clip position. V2F world position. I think I can't have more than one SV position. This is gonna, yeah, that's gonna complain. I might not even have to decorate it. Okay. Wait, what? Oh, I'm editing the wrong shader. Whoops. Have I been editing? No, I haven't. Okay. Save changes. So this is fixed now. Okay. Anyway. What would be a good... Damn it. Let's see, Unity, shader, what do they call those? What do they call these things? I'm just gonna write SP position. Semantics, thank you. Okay, shader semantics. Used to indicate arbitrary high precision data such as texture coordinates and positions. Okay, so just do text coord 1. Okay. For world position text Object to clip position. World position is unity object to world. Is that what it is? Unity object to world is not a thing. Unity object to world shader. Shading in world space. Transform world space. Stop it. Yeah, world space position. Unity object to world times vertex. That seems to be what they do. So they don't have a function. I feel like they have a function for it, but wait, is that object to world? Did I read that right? Object to world, yeah. And that's end up position. Well, now 13. Can Windsands have a 7-stage plus minigame fully working demo in 2 weeks? Well, now 13 days. I mean, how much you got right now? How close are you? If you're at 0, I mean, working 16 hours a day helps. But I don't doubt you. So I'm gonna assume I got the right world position. So let's say that, add the outline, if, actually I can just multiply it by the, not really, if in dot world position, hey, Nubinator, thanks for following, didn't even notice, man. Is greater than the shine position. Oh, right, I need to like variabilize these things. Cheers to that, dude. We'll have to drink some Japanese whiskey sometime. So let's see, fix float in position X, shine position X, and shine, what do they call it, width or something? Size X, I think it's size X. Shine width, I did call it width. Okay, shine position X and shine width. New drinking game. Drink every time you see the word float, and once for every n occurrences of said word. Yeah. You guys are gonna have to put one of those like eye trackers on the screen, because I don't know what you're talking about. I don't see anything. Shine position, shine with shine position. Yeah, it'd be a very short game. if it's greater than shine position x, minus shine width, and I should probably put like x on there, and world position dot x is less than shine position x plus then c equals float for white. Let's see if that's okay. It's a broken shader for now. Shine position x is not a thing. Underscore. Okay. Hey, look at that. It's right in the middle of the screen. Even though the game's not running. Oh, right, because it stopped at 7.3. Holy crap. Does that mean it's just going to work? Look at that. We have a white line. Now the idea is that, though, this is going to be... And then it goes to 0, and it's not even... Shit. I have to, like, set the width as well. Or I have to start it at 0 minus width or something. I'll just set the width here. Shine width. I forgot what I set it to, like 0.1 or something. Set float. Shine width. Shine width. Okay. And what I can do then is, when it's off, I can start it at, let's say, shine position dot x equals negative shine width over 2. Same here, negative shine width over 2. And yeah, then I don't even need the width. It just starts off at an invisible position. Let's update the speed though. Let's bump that up to 3. Okay, there it goes. Still visible. I wonder. Yeah, because I'm checking. Oh no, I'm doing minus shine width and plus shine width or whatever. In the shader, not the width over 2, right? Times 0.5 times 0.5. Now it should be invisible. When it's done, done. Okay. Now let's do it realistically. And eventually I can do more stuff. It'll be a short... Oh, never mind. I already read those messages. So realistically, I'm not sweeping it across the screen. I would have like a series of sprites, right? So let's just like shrink this guy again. Yeah, there we go. And we're going to see a cool effect here. So right now we shouldn't even see it until about a few seconds in. And there it goes. So that one, let's just move these guys apart from each other. Oh, there it is, right? It's like a little mask. And maybe there's even an easier way to do this. I don't know. Let's get them in order. Duplicate that. That. Okay. So then I want the width to be like, let's say it's 0.5, maybe like that. And let's do the color. Let's get the color in there, and this is just going to be shine color. And then I can modify the color. Okay, that's not a thing. Let me get these guys over here. Float 4, shine color. Okay, now let's modify it to like a bluish, maybe silver, like that. And then bump up its speed to like 10, and then the idea is that it's just a shine effect that sweeps across all of them. It wasn't, the width has to be adjusted again. What did I have it at? 5? No, 0.5 or something. Yes, and that's exactly what I wanted. But it has to be faster. 20. Nice. Okay, so the idea is that this is going to be text, like a series of letters on the screen, and then it's just going to go, yeah, like a shine across them. Sorry for the repeating music. You know what, I'm just going to make it, instead of turning off, I'm just going to set it to repeat. Something like that, yeah. And it'll just repeat. There. Done. I actually did it, yeah, in like, that was about 30 minutes, maybe 40. Sweet. All right. It's just kind of like a test for now. I do want to incorporate it into that. God, it's kind of like, I don't know if it's like a seizure effect or if it's mesmerizing. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Let's make it bigger. There. Cool.